Hi guys, this is a Martindale electrical tester. So basically you plug it into a big power outlet and it tests the it's like a pat tester for bigger cables. Essentially it tests all the cables are connected correctly and not shorting out. So I believe this fell off a shelf and it stopped working essentially. So here I am just stripping it down. I do apologise because in this video you might get quite a few glimpses of my cap. I didn't realise at the time that the camera was focusing on my safety cap. So yeah, there we are, just stripping it down, and I spot that the inductor is lopsided somewhat, so I'm just feeling the rest of the connections and stuff because it literally had no power. There's a view of the board in case anyone needs to see that if you get this problem in future or different problems. If anyone needs information on what's inside, please put a comment and I'll try and get that for you. So there I am, just playing around with it really. Grab my multimeter, and this is the section where it goes focused on my hat. But essentially I saw that the inductor was to one side. I thought I'd test it. That's 2 megohms there. Test it a couple more times, get the same sort of reading. Well, I've got this sort of null inactivity. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Your help is much appreciated. And now let's roll on to the next part of the video. So I got a bit of flux here, just having it on the board, and going to remove the inductor as it was testing very poorly. I got the inductor off. Here's a close-up. You can see there's a leg missing. That didn't happen when I took it off. That leg was already broken, but there is a little wisp of the coil wire that obviously the leg has pulled out when it's been knocked. Again, apologies for my hat. So I thought I'd have a go. I tested it on the bench and it was 1.8 ohms. So I figured the little wisp was good to solder to. So I'm not entirely sure how long it'll last because the wire was very thin. However, we'll see if it lasts the test of time. If anyone spots my mistake here, put it in the comments. I'll be interested to see who spots it. Yeah, and I'm just making sure that the continuity is right. Here's testing, and it's all good. So thanks for watching.